When any new car technology rolls out, it's only a matter of time before cars featuring that technology start rolling into the repair shop. Take active air suspensions. As more and more car manufacturers add air suspensions to their vehicles to improve ride comfort, handling, and aerodynamics, it's only a matter of time before these systems start failing more and more often. The average age of failure for air suspensions is between 7 and 10 years, or about 80,000 to 100,000 miles. When that happens, it can mean sagging, poor handling, reduced fuel efficiency, and an even less safe ride. It can also mean an expensive trip to the dealership. That's why Dorman engineered our comprehensive line of active air suspension replacement parts. With our technologically advanced solutions, you can fix a failed air suspension with high-quality parts without spending unnecessary money at the dealer. Even better, in some cases, we've redesigned failure-prone elements of original automaker designs. It starts with our air compressors, which crucially provide the compressed air needed to make the system run. A relatively common reason that original manufacturer air compressors fail, particularly a certain GM truck and SUV models, is that a leak in the system causes the compressor to run continuously until it burns out. We fixed that by adding thermal protection software along with adding weather-resistant connectors to prevent moisture intrusion. We also provide our compressors as part of a complete assembly, with all new components, including the dryer and mounting brackets, for a direct replacement and convenient installation. Dorman approached multiple Land Rover air shocks with the goal of making it easier for customers to find the right part, while also increasing valuable inventory space for distributors and retailers. To do this, we consolidated the number of shocks needed. As a result, Dorman also reduced the risk of returns due to confusion over part applications. We perform rigorous quality tests in our labs, running our shocks over 2 million cycles, equivalent to 10 years of use or the average service life, at temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The same can be said for our air springs and struts. Whereas some suppliers remanufacture these parts, Dorman's are 100% new. Finally, some car owners don't want or need to maintain their active air suspensions late into their vehicle's life. In those cases, Dorman also offers delete kits, which convert an air suspension to a traditional suspension. But we don't just use any spring in our kits. Dorman is the only major complete air suspension line provider that offers cold-wound, made-in-America springs that ensure a precise, level ride. We offer these as a full kit covering all 4 wheels, or as a partial kit, which is a lower-cost option that allows you to only remove and convert the failed components in the front or the rear. As with all Dorman parts, our active air suspension line is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, ASC certified technical support teams, and 100 years of innovative history. Because all our parts are made new, distributors and retailers can also be assured they'll get the parts they need when they need them. Want to keep the active in active air suspension with the most technologically advanced replacement parts? Ask your local wholesale distributor, repair shop, or auto parts retailer for Dorman Active Air Suspension.